Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have a beautiful, well-kept 2001 Ford Excursion XLT four-wheel drive. So this vehicle has been owned and serviced by an ASC Ford mechanic, a personal close friend of ours in our business, and asked if we could help him get this sold for him. So here we go. We have it listed through us, and we'll try to give you the best possible deal, but still at the end of the day does have to go through him for the final word. But he kept it up very, very nicely. This is an all original Florida vehicle, no rust. It's a V10, and he kept up everything as it needed to be. New tires, new brakes, new battery, ready to go for the new owner. So it has the converted 06 front end, so you notice the headlights and grille will be updated to the newer style of the Excursion. It doesn't look like the 01. So the engine runs flawlessly, very strong. V10 is a nice stout engine. Just had it detailed, so it's ready to go for the new owner. Tinted windows throughout. Power options include windows, locks, mirrors, and driver's seat. Very clean on the interior. Has floor mat for the back seat. None for up front here on the driver's side. Dashboard's in still great condition. Comes with a touchscreen Kenwood stereo. Ice cold AC. As you see, the four-wheel drive switch over here. Dual cup holders, and then dual cup holders down here as well. And then you can have that little power point there as an option. Center console armrest storage. Comes with multiple keys and one key fob that's properly working. And then it also has front and rear AC with the addition of a DVD player. And as you can see, these extra large side view mirrors with the nice blind spot mirror there at the bottom. So this one is a third row seating vehicle. Comes with the fold-up seats like that. And the DVD player here. It's a nice extra large DVD player. And then your rear AC controls. But as you can see, the paint is just super, super clean. Very vibrant, shiny, beautiful. Looking down the side here, there's only one ding in the passenger rear door, so that looks really good. And it has that nice two-tone white on tan, and then new Cooper tires all the way around. And the beautiful chrome wheels here. It has that nice billet look to it, like kind of reminds you of old drag racing radial, you know, kind of wheel option there. So that looks real nice. Comes with four-wheel disc brakes, running boards, so all the good stuff there. And then it comes with these rear taillight cages to protect the taillights against any damage. We have a little bit of slight fading here on the back. Like I said, this is one of those vehicles that's just an all original type of vehicle. You look at it and you say, wow, it's been very well kept, and you know, it shows some age, but it's just nice. You know, there's no stories. It's always been serviced, and that's the most important thing. So for back here, we have our spare tire. This is where Ford decided to keep the spare on this, so you still get plenty of room back here, even with the barn style doors closed. And they did have that aftermarket clothing rack there. Comes with the third brake light and rear windshield wiper. Now, as you can see, this vehicle has some of the things that you wouldn't normally see with a Meticulous Motors vehicle. It still has some personalizations to it, so you can opt to elect to take that off by us or just leave it on for the point of sale. So like I said, this is private party type deal, but will be going through us, so there will be sales tax, dealer service charge, all that kind of stuff. But it comes with their power side view mirrors here, power windows locks, and then your power driver's seat, all functioning perfectly. No odd noises or anything like that. All four windows are working, all the power locks and the side view mirrors. Now, coming behind the driver's side, we have our headlight switch here. We also have our interior illumination, and we have our front and rear wiper blade. That's where our turn signal are. And then we also have our cruise control mounted multifunction steering wheel. So the steering wheel has an aftermarket cover on it, And we also have the aftermarket mirror extension, so this gives us a wider view behind us, and that sits over top of the standard OEM mirror that does have some of its auto dimming peeling up that kind of look, so this does look much better on there as well too. So starting up the vehicle, you see 177,000 original miles, 4 previous owners, 0 accidents, auto check certified. And she fires right up. No warning lights on the dash, just door ajar and the seatbelt light. All the gauges are working properly, good battery voltage, excellent oil pressure, perfect coolant temperature. That V10 roars very smoothly and it idles beautifully, so that is a very nice sounding motor. That's exactly the way we want it to sound. 4-wheel drive works flawlessly, and sitting here right at the start, the AC is ice cold. So like I said, Ford technician serviced, I mean, it's gonna be the way it should be. It has this nice aftermarket stereo. The speakers sound excellent. So it's all loading up there. It has an administrator and a guest. So it's a Wi-Fi equipped. It also has its USB port down here. I'm trying to see if the navigation will come up. There we go. So it just needs map update, but it does have that navigation. So very nice, really nice touchscreen stereo. That Kenwood is very good. Can help you navigate anywhere you need to be. So there you have it, folks. You have this beautiful, beautiful Ford Excursion. We don't get these in very often, so don't let this opportunity slip you by to have a beautiful, well-kept 4-wheel drive 2001 Ford Excursion. You can find this exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.